Did you know that beans are a superfood with the potential to prevent heart disease and stabilize blood sugar? That's right, these humble legumes are packed with nutritional goodness. They're high in fiber, protein, and antioxidants, not to mention a great source of vitamins and minerals. Including beans in our daily diet can lead to numerous health benefits, from weight management to improved gut health. Now let's dive into the world of beans and discover the 12 most nutritious ones you must consume daily. Starting off our list, we have the mighty black beans, a powerhouse of nutrients. Black beans, also known as turtle beans, are densely packed with protein and fiber. These little nuggets of nutrition are low in fat and high in complex carbohydrates, making them a great source of sustained energy. The health benefits of black beans are impressive. They promote heart health, aid in digestion, and help regulate blood sugar levels. They are also rich in antioxidants, which help to fight off harmful free radicals in our bodies, contributing to overall wellness. But how can you incorporate black beans into your meals? It's easier than you might think. They can be added to salads, soups, and stews, or used as a meat substitute in tacos and burritos. You can even make black bean brownies for a healthier dessert option. Black beans, a simple yet incredible food to boost your health. Next on our list, we have chickpeas, versatile and brimming with health benefits. These little globes of goodness are packed with essential nutrients. They're a rich source of plant-based protein, making them an excellent choice for vegans and vegetarians. But that's not all. Chickpeas are also loaded with dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting a healthy gut. Now let's talk about their health benefits. Consuming chickpeas regularly can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels thanks to their low glycemic index, plus they're heart-friendly. The fiber, potassium, and vitamins in chickpeas all support heart health. Okay, so we know they're great for us, but how can we incorporate them into our meals? Well, they're not just for hummus, folks. Chickpeas can be roasted for a crunchy snack, added to salads for some extra protein, or blended into a creamy soup. You can even use chickpea flour in your baking. The possibilities are endless. Chickpeas not just for hummus anymore. Moving on, we have kidney beans, hearty and nutritious. Named for their close visual resemblance to actual kidneys, these beans pack a lot of punch in the nutrition department. They're an exceptional source of plant-based protein, and they're also rich in various minerals, vitamins, and fibers, which can help keep your heart healthy. In addition, kidney beans can support weight loss, thanks to their ability to provide feelings of fullness and reduce calorie intake. They're also beneficial for your gut health, as they're high in fiber, which promotes healthy gut bacteria. But how do you add these healthy beans into your meals? It's not that complicated, really. They're a classic ingredient in chili, but you can also toss them into salads, mash them into a dip, or even add them to pasta or rice dishes. Kidney beans are versatile, and they're just waiting to be incorporated into your meals, so don't hesitate to experiment with them. Kidney beans, a hearty choice for a healthy diet. Up next, we have lentils, a small but nutrient-dense food. These tiny powerhouses are packed with essential nutrients like protein, fiber, and iron. Just a half-cup serving of lentils can provide nearly 1/3 of your daily fiber requirement and about 12 grams of protein. But the benefits of lentils don't stop at nutrition. They are also a great ally in maintaining heart health due to their high levels of folate and magnesium, which help lower the risk of heart diseases. Not to mention, the high fiber content in lentils aids in digestion and keeps your gut health in check. Including lentils in your meals is as easy as it is beneficial. You can toss them in salads, soups, or make a hearty lentil curry. They're also a great substitute for meat in many dishes, making them a favorite among vegans and vegetarians. So, let's not underestimate these tiny legumes. Lentils, small in size, but mighty in nutrients. Coming up, we have navy beans, a fiber-rich food that's good for your gut. Now let's dive into the world of navy beans, a small but mighty legume packed with benefits. They're named after their extensive use in the US Navy in the early 20th century. These beans are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a hefty dose of fiber, protein, and essential minerals like magnesium, potassium, and iron. Surprisingly, a single cup of cooked navy beans provides around 19 grams of fiber, nearly 3/4 of the recommended daily intake. That's a lot of gut-friendly fiber in just one serving. But the benefits of navy beans don't stop there. Regular consumption can support heart health, regulate blood sugar levels, and even aid weight loss. So how can you add navy beans to your meals? Easy. Toss them into salads, mash them into dips, or simply add them to your favorite soup or stew. They're incredibly versatile and delicious. Navy beans, your gut will thank you. Next, we have pinto beans, packed with protein and perfect for vegetarians and vegans. These modest morsels are a powerhouse of nutrients, providing a substantial portion of protein, fiber, and a variety of minerals. They're excellent for maintaining a healthy heart, thanks to their low sodium and high potassium content. Pinto beans have a rich, creamy texture that makes them a staple in many cuisines, especially Mexican and Southwestern. They're the star of dishes like refried beans and chili con carne. But don't let that limit your culinary creativity. You can toss them in salads, puree them into soups, or even blend them into a rich and hearty dip. And let's not forget, these beans are a great source of iron, a mineral often lacking in vegan and vegetarian diets. So, whether you're trying to bulk up, slim down, or just maintain a balanced diet, pinto beans have got you covered. Pinto beans, a protein-packed choice for everyone. Last but not least, we have soybeans, a superfood that's a staple in many diets worldwide. Soybeans are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're packed with protein, making them an excellent source of this vital nutrient, especially for those on plant-based diets. But the benefits of soybeans don't stop there. They're also rich in fiber, iron, and a class of antioxidants known as isoflavones. These isoflavones have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. Plus, the fiber in soybeans helps promote a healthy gut, while the iron supports energy production and overall vitality. But how can you add soybeans to your meals? It's simple. Soybeans can be enjoyed in a variety of forms as edamame tofu tempeh or even soy milk. You can toss them in your salads, stir-fry them with your favorite veggies, or blend them into a smoothie. Soybeans, a superfood worth adding to your diet. So, there you have it, the 12 most nutritious beans you must consume daily. Each one of these beans is a power-packed food item, brimming with nutrients that our bodies need to function at their best. Let's take a quick journey back through the bean aisle. We started with the mighty black beans, rich in antioxidants and a great source of protein and fiber. Then we moved on to the versatile chickpeas, which boast an impressive nutrient profile, packed with protein, fiber, and several key vitamins and minerals. We also talked about the Hearty kidney beans, a fantastic source of carbohydrates, fiber, and vitamins. And how can we forget the nutrient-dense lentils? These small yet mighty beans are a great source of protein and are rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full. Then we introduced the fiber-rich navy beans, which are a great source of protein and fiber and can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Next, we discussed the protein-packed pinto beans, which are not only rich in protein but also provide a good amount of fiber and iron. And finally, we ended with the Superfood Soybeans, a complete protein source that is also rich in vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds. Each bean has its unique set of nutrients, but they all share one common trait. They are incredibly beneficial for your health. They are versatile, affordable, and incredibly delicious, making them an excellent addition to any diet. Whether you're vegan, vegetarian, or just someone looking to improve your health, these beans are a must-have in your pantry. They can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, from salads and soups to main dishes and even desserts. Remember, good health starts with good food, so start adding these nutritious beans to your diet today. They're not just good for you, they're essential. And the best part? They're just as tasty as they are healthy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more